So on mid-October 2022, Adobe announced a new feature and updates to the Adobe Max that includes the Photoshop and Illustrator we do learn on this channel. Now in today's video, I will show you the features they released. If this is something you are interested, please consider subscribing to the channel. So without wasting much time, let's get into the updates. So let's start with Photoshop 2023. What are some of the releases they made? Actually, there are 6 updates to the Photoshop. So let's see. The first one is they have improved the selection tool, and for me, I love using the selection tool a lot because it makes your work very easy for selecting images and objects. The second thing is they have improved object removal. And then the third one is they have improved the iOS functions as well. Then number 4 is they've added delete and fill. Then number 5, they've added neural filters. And number 6, they have improved the features inside camera raw. So these are the 6 updates or new features added to Photoshop. So let's see what are some of the new features we have in Illustrator. Actually, they also brought out 6 new features in Illustrator. So let's check it out. So the first one is intertwine. The second one is sharing Illustrator document for review. The third one is retain format pasting text between Illustrator and InDesign. The fourth one is automate workflows with quick selection. The fifth one is additional compatible formats to export 3D objects. And the sixth one is improved performance placing multi-linked files. So these are the updates and new features on Photoshop and Illustrator. But how do you feel about these updates? Are you happy about this? For me personally, I'm very happy because there are new features which is going to improve our workflow very well, especially in Photoshop and Illustrator as well. But what about you? Please share your comment under the comment section below. And if you want to know how to use each of these new features in Photoshop and Illustrator, let me know in the comment section below so that we dive into them. So if you're a new viewer here, please subscribe to this channel, like, share and comment, because here on this channel we make tutorials on Photoshop and Illustrator as well. So please do well to subscribe to this channel and we will be very happy and appreciated. If you want to learn more, please check this video here and learn how to add realistic lipstick in Photoshop. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.